Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Ko-Fi shop. If you want to sell digital products, services, or even commissions directly from your creator page, yeah, Ko-Fi shop makes it really simple. Let's go through everything step by step in 2026. First, log into your Ko-Fi account and open your creator dashboard. This is where you manage your shop, posts, donations, and all your content in one place. Next, click on the shop tab. This is where you can create and manage all your products or services that you want to sell. Now click Add Product or Create Listing. Yeah, you can add digital downloads, commissions, or even physical items depending on your setup. Next, upload your product details. Add a clear title, description, price, and upload any files or images that represent your product. Now set your price and options. You can choose fixed pricing or let buyers pay what they want depending on your selling style. Once everything is ready, hit Publish. Yeah, your product will now appear in your Ko-Fi shop and be available for visitors to purchase instantly. After you start receiving orders, you can track them inside your dashboard. This helps you manage downloads, commissions, and customer requests easily. And that's basically it. You now know how to use the Ko-Fi shop in 2026. It's a great way to monetize your creativity and sell directly to your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.